There was a bomb scare at the Pradhan Nagar post office in Siliguri after a parcel suddenly exploded. Police officials from the Siliguri Police Commissionerate reached the spot to assess the situation. According to police sources, the parcel had come from Amritsar. The person who had come to take delivery of the parcel has been detained by the police for questioning. The police are now investigating on the incident. The CID bomb squad will also be inspecting the site.
अभी इंक्वायरी चल रही है
सर, उसमें अभी तक मिला क्या है सर?
इंक्वायरी चल रही है, हमारी BDDS टीम पहुंच गई है। वो डिटेल हम लोग इंक्वायर कर रहे हैं। उस पर्सन को हमने डिटेन किया हुआ है जिस पर्सन ने उस पार्सल को रिसीव करना था। ठीक है,
कहाँ से आया था सर ये?
वो अमृतसर से आया था। ठीक है।
Another instance of police brutality where the police slammed the keys of his bike into his forehead after he argued with the police in Udham Singh Nagar, Uttarakhand. This was an attempt to murder and is horrific considering the force with which was required. 3 policemen have been suspended. Heavy rains last night in Siliguri and its surroundings have brought rivers in spate and have flooded several low-lying areas of the city. In an area where the water level was higher than the bridge, a lot of waste was left on the bridge after the levels receded a bit during the day. Water entered the homes of many, making it difficult for the residents of those areas. The heavy rains have also created landslides in the Darjeeling Hills, blocking roads and damaging some homes in villages towards Mirik. The National Highway 31 through Sevok was cut off completely after the center of a bridge totally collapsed when the rains washed the earth below, holding the bridge foundation away. NH 31 being cut off means that travelers have to take a very long route through Jalpaiguri till the bridge is restored, will be time consuming and costly due to the huge distance gap. The 3 rivers flowing through the Malda district, including the Ganga, are also in spate and have flooded vast areas of the district, turning several families homeless. Flood relief distribution not managed properly is the biggest complaint of families who have been forced to abandon their homes. Flooding normally starts with the areas next to the river banks, but the government and politicians allow people to settle there, knowing very well that these families are endangered during the monsoons. But the politicians are more interested in maintaining their vote banks than actually looking after the electorate, which leads to these families being displaced every monsoon year after year. This exercise has been happening over years with government changes. The government officials really can't do much as politicians control everything and the bureaucracy are like puppets on strings. The COVID-19 pandemic is now 1,66,61,348 cases, Deaths 6,56,922 and recovered 1,02,55,772 worldwide and counting. In India, there are now 14,83,157 positive cases, 33,425 deaths and 9,52,744 recovered and discharged. In the past 24 hours, there were 47,703 fresh cases and 654 deaths. India's fatality rate stands at 2.25%. In Bengal, total positive cases were 60,830 with 42,083 recoveries and 1,450 deaths. Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.